Hi there, welcome. This is part 2 of Happy Mail from this amazing, generous angel that has been so kind to me. So stick around and let's see what's in this part 2 of Happy Mail. Hi there. So I've got this second package. It's all vacuum packed, really heavy, but there's also a message from M. She wants to remain anonymous. And you know, the true angelic quality of a good person is somebody who gives and doesn't want recognition. They're not doing it for recognition. They're doing it from the kindness of their heart. So that makes it even more special. So I've got a note here. It says, "My dear friend, I hope you enjoy all the yarny goodness." Oh, most definitely. I included a few surprises for my granddaughter as well as me, which if you see my first video, if you haven't, I'm going to link you to it. Please look, because there was something special for me that I can't wait to try out. So if you haven't seen it yet, you'll want to see what that is. And I wish you all the best. Kindly, M. And then she sent me, I think these are patterns, yarn ribbed hat. And we'll see if these are all crochet. I would guess. This one. Oh, look, it's got other patterns in it. And yes, this is crochet. And there's knit, but that's okay. Cotton slippers are crocheted. Let's see. I'm going to show you in a moment. Okay, so there's a hat in here that is a crochet pattern. And there is also a pair of cotton slippers, which is a crochet pattern. So that will come in handy. And let's see what else there is. Tasseled crochet basket. That's lovely. Tiles for baby blanket. That almost looks like a corner to corner, but I'm not sure. Really pretty. Crochet baby lovey blanket. You know, I always look for patterns online, but to have something that's a hard copy in my hand, there's something to be said for that. So these will come in handy. Touch of texture crochet blanket. And these come from Michaels. Oh, this one looks French. I'm Canadian, but I don't really do French. But that's okay. If you are French, let me know, because I can send this to you. It's called paying it forward, right? And, oh, it's crochet marled slanted shell super scarf made with Caron marble cakes, but I'm sure that there are other yarns you can use for this one. That's a big comfy scarf. Another basket. So maybe I could put that in a giveaway and share the goodness. Oh, these are adorable cuddle bunnies. Oh, I love these. Cute little crochet. So some boot toppers. Some adorable bunny mittens. And if you haven't seen my bunny blanket, go take a look. I'll link you to that as well. Oh, these are so cute. Cozy koala ear warmer. Look how cute that is. These are so cute. This is adorable. This deer one with little antlers. Now I did get a book at a thrift store that's all hats. This would be a good addition to that. Oh, these are so cute. Look at these socks. These would be nice and warm for the winter. That's a great one. That might be one of my favorites until I get to the next one. Crochet Lovies. Well, if you haven't seen my last video with the Lovey, you'll know that I like Lovies, and these are great. Here's one. Look how cute this is. It looks like a sloth. It is. It's a snuggle sloth. How colorful is this? Really cute. I like the pom-poms on it. And look, a flamingo. These are great. I love that. Thank you. And there's another one that's the same. Well, guess what? Giveaway? That's coming soon. Amigurumi patterns. These are adorable. Look at this. So cute. A lovable llama, a koala cutie with little overall shorts. How adorable is that? And you could make that for a boy or girl because you don't have to make the overalls in pink. I'm definitely going to try one or two of these. And this is from Hobby Lobby, so not easy for me to get. So that's great. Oh, look, one for a giveaway. It's a repeat. That's always good to have. Kids oh my goodness. This is adorable. Kids crochet outfits. Look how adorable this is. Have you ever seen anything so cute? So cute. And another cap and slippers. And this is, oh, wow. This is all crochet too, really nice. This is amazing. I have never seen anything like this online, so it's really nice to have. Look at that. I love the color. So pretty. These are great. And another one for a giveaway. Okay, now this big heavy pack. It's vacuum sealed. So I have to open this thing. Oh, wow, there's so much here. This is gorgeous. And I remember seeing my sweet friend who sent this all to me, all this yarny goodness. She showed me this, and it's actually more beautiful than I remember seeing it in our virtual shopping trip. The colors are just gorgeous. This is Yarn Bee's Chloe Royal Orchid. Stunning, stunning. It is 70% wool and 30% viscose. It is a 4-weight. It is a roving style. I'm trying to decide if I think it's a little, it's a light 4-weight because it almost seems like a 3, but it's just so soft and beautiful. I really love this. And this suggests using a 6mm crochet hook. So pretty. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Oh, that's going to make something so pretty. I don't know what yet. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And what's the washing instructions on this? Some stuff is hidden underneath. It might be hand wash because it's 70% wool, but that's okay because hand washing for the hard work, it makes sense in a lot of cases. And then there's this Tweed Indeed Yarn Bee. Tweed Indeed, this is Ocean Tweed. What? This is really, really soft and squishy, and it's got little flecks in it. I don't know if you could see this gorgeous shade of green. Ocean Tweed. And this is considered a, does it say the weight? I'm looking. I don't know if it says the weight, but it's 180 yards. It looks like a 4-weight for sure. This is 46% acetate, 46% cotton, 6% viscose, 2% polyester. It is considered a 4 medium. And the suggested hook size is a 5.5 millimeter. So that's perfect. Beautiful, beautiful color. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Really, really nice color and soft, soft. And she also gave it to me in this orange color. This, or is it the same? Maybe it's not the same. This is Tweed Indeed. This one is Stitch 101 50/50 in the colorway Apricot. And they look a little squished, but that's okay because they were vacuum packed. And I understand because there's so much. If it wasn't vacuum packed, it would have been a lot bigger of a package to ship. This color is so pretty. It's shiny. It's apricot. Look at that. Really pretty, shiny color. It's 50% acetate, 50% modal. Considered for medium weight, which, yes, I would agree with that. Recommended hook size 5.5. Made with American fibers. And it looks like it might be machine washable. I'm terrible with these symbols. Can you see that? I don't know if it's coming in clearly. Really, really soft and pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. That's a gorgeous color. Really, really pretty. It's funny how they went into a weird shape. But wait, when you crochet with this, it's going to make something incredible. Wow. Look at this. I remember seeing this. This is gorgeous. This is a roving style. Look at the colors in that. Is that not stunning? This is Fireplace Comfort by Yarn Bee. It is considered a 4 medium weight. Really, really nice and soft. Let me put my finger in here. There we go. It's got gorgeous shades of blue and lilac or a plum color, various shades. And this one is 70% acrylic, 30% wool, so a nice wool blend. And it also looks like it's machine washable. Did I say the recommended hook size? 5.5 millimeter. Really, really pretty. I'm going to enjoy using that one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this one is 229 yards each. 5.3 ounces. So a nice amount to make something really nice with that. And then I remember these two. These are really pretty. This is Yarn Bee Stripe Hype. This is in the colorway Blush and Gray. You can see how pretty that is. This one is 80% acrylic, 20% wool, Also looks washable, considered a 4-weight, recommended hook size 6mm. I can try that new frills hook with this one. And there you go. Look at the different multicolors in that. I can see that making a nice sweater. Really pretty. And there's a lot in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 is a lucky number today. And I remember this also in green. That's a beautiful mint green. So this one, the colorway is Spa Gray. Really pretty. I can feel the wool content in it, but I think it would be soft enough. It's called Stripe Hype by Yarn Bee. Net weight 3.5 ounces, 265 yards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as well. So I'm not going to take all of them out. And the content, again, is the 80% acrylic, 20% wool, and it is made in Turkey. I really love that color combination as well. And what's nice about this can be for a boy or a girl. I could almost make matching brother and sister set with these for my grandson and granddaughter. Or I can make something for me. Who knows? So that is amazing. I'm really touched. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. And Ms. M, the angel, you know who you are. You can see I'm a little speechless. I can't wait to use all of this to try it. I don't know what to try first. If you have any suggestions, let me know. And come back soon because I'm going to have a blanket to show you. So stick around. Stay with me. I know that I've been a little bit absent. I haven't been coming around as much, but it's just that time of year. A lot of busy things and lots going on. But now I have a lot of things to make with some of this. So I'm going to try to do that, and maybe I will show you how it works up. I've got a lot to do now, a lot of yarn to work with, and thank you for being there. Thank you for watching me. Thank you, Ms. M. This is awesome. I'm really excited, really happy, really touched. And I'm going to try that frills hook. So stick around. See you soon. Have a great day. Have a great evening. Bye for now.